This video shows how you can annotate reference material records in MI Pro materials data. This database includes over 4,000 material records, providing generic level materials reference data. Each reference material record contains a uniform set of properties. It is not recommended to change this property data. However, you can annotate reference records in MI Pro materials data to add your own notes, for example, in-house information, such as an internal name or code, notes on where the material will be used, a related hyperlink or document, or any other comments. To make a variant on a Granta reference material, where you can safely edit any of the properties, without affecting the original data, we recommend duplicating the original, to make a new in-house material. This is covered in a separate training video.